Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video I review on WDMI Passport SSD 2020. So please watch this video till the end and please like this video and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Planner looks but much better performance. WD latest proud of redesign has spread throughout its portable storage lineup, replacing the bold, bright, sharp design led identity with rounded edges, muted colors, and simpler plastic bodies. Wishme has given way to practicality, which you might or might not be in favor of. The latest reimagined storage device is the WD My Passport SSD 2020, but in this case the changes are not solely cosmetic. You get a huge bump in hardware specifications and speeds, keeping WD portable SSD lineup current and competitive. Here's a review of the brand new WD My Passport SSD 2020. WD My Passport SSD 2020 design and features. The older two-tone metal and plastic design might have been slightly impractical with its sharp corners and overall bulk, but it looked and felt very modern and premium. Now you get a much more organic body, shaped somewhat like a thin bar of soap. It's much flatter than before, with rounded sides and corners that make for an easy grip. This device will be comfortable in your hand as well as your pocket. Weighs only for 45.7 gram. The body is made of the metal and there severely rigid pattern on the front as well as the rear. The USB type C port is off center on the bottom and there is no activity LED. The raised WD logo feels rough and looks rather garish, but otherwise this is the simple sober design that will fit in anywhere. You have a choice between space gray, midnight blue, and gold. A red version appears to be available in other countries but is not listed here. Unlike some other portable SSD, including models from Western Digital, other brands, SanDisk and G Technology, there is no waterproofing or other form of protection from the elements. WD does mention shock and vibration resistance, which are inherent to SSD, plus drop resistance for files from up to 1.98 m in height. Perhaps unsurprisingly, my password SSD 2020 is very similar in shape and size to the SanDisk Extreme V2 portable SSD, but does not have an integrated handle, rigid coating, or IP rating. You get a very short USB Type C cable in the box with the Type C to Type A adapter for broad compatibility compatibilities. As we noted with the previous incarnation of the My Passport SSD, such an adapter is technically outside the official USB specification, and so the cable and adapter both have notches to make sure they are used with each other. That it does not physically stop you from using the entire cable plus adapter with another device. Thought this should be avoided because some devices need to negotiate the things like how much power is sent from one side to another, which cannot happen through a legacy USB port when such an adapter is used.